First of all, I would like to thank the government of Pakistan, our dear brothers, in particular Minister of Commerce, His Excellency Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, for his great hospitality, for arranging today's business forum. In fact, I must say that this is the largest business forum that we have ever had in our history. And today, this is the first ever business forum organized in Karachi. And we have more than 100 participants from Kazakhstan representing various sectors. So I believe it's a very good start of a brand new chapter in the history of our bilateral relations. And today we signed 3 MOUs, and it's just, the initial step towards strengthening cooperation between our two brother nations.
You are optimistic that things are going in the right direction?
I believe that this year we will have a breakthrough. Just last week, His Excellency Chief of Army Staff, General Asim Munir, visited my capital, visited my country. He met with President of Kazakhstan, His Excellency Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, and it was confirmed by both sides that we need to elevate our cooperation to a brand new level. And believe me, this year we will strengthen ties between our countries, and we will boost our bilateral trade.
So nice of you.
Thank you so much.